I want the whole world to help me ask Eliab, what is it exactly I have done to him? What did I do to you in particular? I want the words to help me ask Eliab, what is it exactly I have done to him? I want the whole world to help me ask Eliab, what is it exactly I have done to him? What did I do to you in particular, Eliab? Rather than loving you, rather than forfeiting my life savings for you to stay in Austria. What is it exactly I have done to you and your whole entire family, Eliab? I want the whole world to help me ask Eliab Osifo. Eliab Osifo, what did I do to you? I'm going to re-upload the video you used in begging me while you were here. You did me wrong uncountable times. I have said it and I am tired of repeating myself. I have come outside and decided to say, okay, I am sorry to your mother, to your father, if that will bring you peace, if that will make you happy. You continue to fight me, fight my children, fight everybody around me. Fight Daddy Obazeli, fight Uncle Sam and Sam, fight my workers, fight my friends, Doris Obiazi, fight OJ Godfrey. Who else you haven't fought? You have literally joined Choose Promise. You locked me up in cell. You made my children's life miserable the very first time they traveled to Nigeria. I survived it. I came back. Everybody said I should keep quiet, and I'm listening. But it is easier said sometimes than done, because not like as if I don't have things to say about Osifo's family. I have my hand full, both about Eliab and his siblings, the mother and the father, that I could say. But I decided to respect my friends, my family, and my fans most especially. Eliab promised to drag me down for what? For registering you for driver license. I told you to go and do your driver license so that we can have a division of labor. Is that what I did wrong to you, Eliab? For buying your father a car, for renovating your family house, for opening a shop for your mother, for taking care of your children, opening an account for your kids and be saving money. Is that what I did wrong to you, Eliab? For living in my house for so many years without paying rent? For buying you clothes, for buying you shoes, for taking care of you, for investing with you on our name on joints? Is that what I did wrong, Eliab? Eliab, what have I done to you? I want the whole world to help me ask Eliab. My women, I want you guys to help me ask Eliab what I did to him and his family. I have been keeping quiet. I have children to take care of. Eliab continued to drag me, drag my name down. What did I do to you? I married you. It was it is left up to you to go and apply for documents. I am not the one to apply for you. I gave you all documents for you to go apply. We applied just for you to wait and pick your visa. You started misbehaving. You don't want to work. You don't want to do anything. You didn't want to do your driver license. I am tired. I was tired of being the driver, being the breadwinner of the family. What did I do to you for loving you? You have dragged my children. You have dragged my children. You have dragged and dragged, giving people contract to drag my kids. Eliab, I have your children picture. I have never dragged your kids. And I will never drag them because they have once called me mommy. Eliab, what did I do to you? I have never posted Ima and Ruth's picture. Not like as if I don't have it. Eliab, what did I do to you? What have I done to you? Is it only me that it has happened to, that I lost my husband to the ends of death? Is it only me that tried my second luck and it did not work? And then believing that I shouldn't give up. And when I found you, I thought you were the right one. I thought people motivate and say never give up because it's never over until it's over. Eliab, what is it I have done to you and your family? My tears will fight you, Eliab. My tears will fight you and your family, Eliab. My tears will torment you, Eliab. My blood will cause you pain, Eliab. My menstruation will cause you frustration, Eliab Osifo. My menstruation will destroy you, Eliab. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you, Eliab Osifo. It will never be well with you. Anything you, Eliab Osifo, if I have done you wrong, it will be well with you. But if I never done you wrong and I never meant bad for you, and my thought was never evil about you or against you, Eliab, whatever you touch shall be disappointment for the rest of your life. Anything you do shall be disappointment. Tears will be your daily bread, Eliab. Pain will be your daily bread, Eliab Osifo. It will never be well with you today for causing me and my children excess pain. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you, Eliab. It will never be well with you. It will never be well with you, Eliab Osifo. You see that I'm crying right now and you think I am weak. My tears will fight you. I am not weak. If I want to stagger you back, I will disguagua your whole entire family. Because everybody has stories to tell. Eliab, I will never bring out your children. Just like the way you have been bringing out my children. Since you say I will not find rest, you will never find rest. You will never find peace. It is a shame on you. I want the whole world to help me. Ask Eliab, what exactly, me, personally, waiting me I do am, because I never see hearing from all those things he has been saying. I have not said anything rather than say, I ask him to leave the house, go to Airbnb, and concentrate on your driver license, because this has been like 5-6 months. You are not studying it, you are not making any attempts. I can't be the driver. Business is growing. What did I do wrong? Just for you to take over the whole family. Take over the business. Be the man. That is all I did wrong to you, Eliab. You have done me so much wrong. Blackmailed me and so many other things that I don't want to repeat. I don't have the strength for it. Eliab. 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 It will never be well with you. Never. Never.